Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans in natural language. NLP techniques are used to process and analyze human language, such as text and speech, in order to enable machines to understand and respond to human language. NLP applications include language translation, text summarization, sentiment analysis, question answering, and text-to-speech synthesis. NLP is used in various industries like customer service chatbots, social media monitoring, language-based search engines, and machine-based language translation. NLP is a fast-growing field, driven by the massive amounts of text and speech data being generated every day, and advancements in machine learning and deep learning.